brief history. First off, did you know that the term pendant originates from the Latin word pandra? Or maybe it's pronounced pendra, meaning to hang down. These elegant light fittings have been illuminating spaces for centuries, from grand halls to intimate rooms. Why choose pendant lights? Pendant lights offer a myriad of benefits, such as space saving, ideal for small spaces without sacrificing other features and space. Focused lighting, perfect for kitchen islands or reading nooks and areas. Variety of styles, match your decor effortlessly with a plethora of designs. Pendant lights versus chandeliers. Have you ever wondered how pendant lights differ from chandeliers? Chandeliers usually hold a multiple of light bulbs or lamps and are more elaborate. Pendant lights often feature a single bulb for a minimalist look. Installation tips. Thinking of DIY? While it can be rewarding, complex wiring can be tricky. At Bright Spark Electrical Services, we recommend hiring professionals such as ourselves. This is for navigating intricate wiring, resolving common issues like the lights stay on after I've wired them on, or the lights don't work in this room or the rooms next door. Trendy tips. Looking to spruce up your kitchen? For standard sized islands, 2 or 3 pendants with a clearance of 30 to 36 inches above the countertop work best. Space them out 24 to 36 inches apart for even lighting. Trending styles. Today's lighting trends are all about mixed materials like wood and metal, or glass and marble, adding depth and character to any space. Here's some tips. Measure your space. Ensure the right fit for your room. Align the light fittings with your existing decor. Plan the layout. Optimize pendant placing for perfect lighting. Alternative perspectives. While pendant lights are versatile, consider alternatives like track or recessed lighting for specific spaces. In historical homes and buildings, ensure the style complements the architecture. At Bright Spark Electrical Services, we're ready to make your lighting dreams a reality. Do you have a space that could benefit from the charm of pendant lighting? Thank you for watching. I trust that the video has been of help and of interest to you. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to our YouTube video channel and hit that little notification bell so you get told when we release future videos.